Hello everybody. Gracie and I want to share with you some lovely French country Christmas ornaments that we made this week. If you're tired of your old ornaments or they're just ordinary and plain, then we have something new and unique that you can make very easily. It's quick and it's cheap and it's simple. And Gracie and I are going to show you how we did it. This project is very French country. We have lots of roses and bees, and we made these with air-dry clay and IOD molds. Start with these plastic ornaments from Hobby Lobby. I'll have a list of all the supplies in the description below. I applied a coat of primer to all of the ornaments. Then I made the castings from air-dry clay in IOD molds, and I'm carefully gluing those castings around the ornament. I used wood glue on these. And now the best tip of all, it's my new tip on how to seal these clay castings so they don't crack. I'm using Mod Podge or Decoupage Medium on the clay, and it works so much better than using chalk paint. You have to put something on the castings so they don't crack as they're drying, and especially on a curved object like I'm doing here. So make sure to use your Decoupage Medium, give it a nice full coat, make sure you get the edges, and you will have perfect results. Gracie loves watching crafting videos. She's watching Yvonne on Ginger Chick Rehab. I think that's why she believes she can help me. And I can't blame her. I'm addicted to Yvonne's channel as well. Okay, Gracie girl, let's get back to work. The ornaments I'm keeping, I painted either white or gold, but I'm painting a couple of bright colors for two of my granddaughters. And I'm going to encourage you to work on these ornaments now before the season gets too busy. With these ornaments being so simple, it's easy to get them done and they don't cost much money. It'll help you have something pretty and new for your tree. And you'll see here that these bring such a nice French country look to your Christmas tree.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo, Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria excelsis Deo, Gloria, in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo,
Thanks so much for joining Gracie and I today. Please watch one more of our videos. It would help so much. See you in the next video.